I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and locating the gaming-related controls. This saves time once you're in a game. Once done, add Game Center tools and the focus or screen recording shortcuts to Control Center so you can toggle them mid-game. Make sure the game is running as you configure quick access options. That ensures changes apply immediately. These steps prepare your phone so the actual game mode toggles are available without leaving the game, which keeps performance consistent and avoids disrupting gameplay. Now you create or enable a gaming focus so your phone prioritizes performance and silence. Tap Focus, add a gaming profile, and choose why notifications are muted. This prevents interruptions while preserving crucial alerts. Next, allow or block specific apps so messages from friends pass through if needed. Once configured, use Control Center to toggle the focus immediately or schedule it to run when you launch the game. That automation keeps settings consistent and avoids manual steps before finish by tuning performance and verifying everything works together. Disable low power mode for best graphics and frame rates, or enable it if battery is critical. Then open the game's own settings to set frame rate and graphics quality in line with your iPhone model so you avoid overheating or stutters. If something goes wrong, like notifications still coming through, restart the phone, update iOS, or reset the gaming focus and reapply permissions. Test after each fix to confirm the problem is resolved and gameplay is smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.